Just getting myself comfy because I got some exciting news for you. Well, I think it's exciting. My ebook called Cycling Made Simple is now available for you to buy. So I've got a link to it below. Go and have a look, go and check it out. I am so excited for it finally to be out. It's literally taken me so long to get it exactly how I want it, and I'm really happy with it. I'm like, pat on the back. I'm genuinely really pleased with it, and I really think a lot of you are going to get a lot of value from it. And yeah, so a little bit about what the book is. So yeah, like I say, it's called Cycling Made Simple, and it is the guide that I wish I had at the very start of my cycling journey, I guess. So I've basically put all the knowledge, all the things that I've learned from literally me getting my first road bike, being 100 kilos, just struggling to even ride 20 kilometers, to now being able to ride a 600k Audax, having lost 35 kilos in weight, and just love riding my bike. So it's just all the things that I've learned. So many different topics in there, so many different aspects that have helped me in my cycling journey, I guess. And I just wanted to share them with you in another format other than YouTube. And I really hope it motivates you. I hope it inspires you. I hope it just, I don't know, I'm just really pleased with it. And I think a lot of you are going to really like it. So yeah, like I say, it's taken me a long time to write. I've actually started writing it maybe 3 years ago, and I never felt like it was exactly how I wanted it. And now I feel like I have the knowledge, and I feel like I've just basically created the book that I wanted to read back when I started. So yeah, I would say it's from anyone that's just starting out to get into riding your first event. So it's that journey there. I'm going to be writing, it's also got weight loss stuff in there, weight loss advice, cleats, oh god, there's just so much, I can't even, yeah, just gonna have a quick look at it. I'm also going to be creating more ebooks, so I've got another 3 in the pipeline, but yeah, this is the first introductory, I guess, Cycling Made Simple, because that's what it is. It's just cycling made simple. Like this, when I first started riding my bike, I remember I asked the guy in the shop, in the Giant shop in Adelaide, bought this bike, it's my first road bike, and said to him, how do you use the gears? And this guy looked at me, and I remember his face now. He was just like, you'll figure it out. It was like saying, you're spending this much money. I mean, it was entry level, it wasn't expensive. By bike standards, it wasn't expensive. But it's just like, you're buying this and then you don't even know how to use the gears. And he wasn't being mean. He was just a bit like, you'll figure it out, love, you'll figure it out. And I did figure it out, and I'm just sharing all that information that I've learned over those past 6 years of cycling with you in this ebook. So yeah, link is below. It's on my website, which is ilikemountains.cc, so head over there, have a look. There's also a blog on there. I've started a blog. I know this is probably a little bit late in the day to people still do blogs. Started a blog. So yeah, that's going to have just all the information on there that you can hopefully utilise in your cycling journey as well. So yeah. Ooh, it's very exciting. And I should say already, thank you so much for the support that I've had already from it, because I mentioned it in a few of my other videos, and a lot of you were just like, oh, I really can't wait to see this ebook, it's gonna be really good, blah, 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 blah. And I was just like, to have that support before I've even like shared it, I really appreciate. So I really hope that you enjoy it, that you love it, and yeah, I just made it. I can't even speak, because I'm just so excited. I just want to help and encourage more people to get out and ride bikes. And I feel like a lot of the information that is out there, not all of it, but I feel like a lot of it just bypasses all the basics around cycling. And it's like all the stupid questions. I say stupid, they're not stupid, because I didn't know what it was when I was a beginner. It's basically answering all the questions as well that I had when I first started riding, and I guess to where I am now. So it's quite a lot of topics to cover in there, and I've covered them as well as I can. And yeah, this is me like buy the ebook, but I genuinely think you are going to get a lot of value from it, and I really hope you do. Come and let me know when you bought it, when you've had a read of it. Let me know what you think, and appreciate it. So I think that is it for this video. So exciting. So yeah, I like mountains.cc, link is in the description box, and I will see you next video. See you later.